Tracking coronavirus this afternoon for you. We are hearing from the attorney representing two plastic surgeons in a complaint against Knox County. This is the first legal step toward a lawsuit. In it, there are questions about the Board of Health's authority calling the data behind the mask mandate faulty. 6 on Your Side reporter Madison Keevy learns more about these concerns and takes a closer look at what local health experts say about masks.
If you want to pass legislation, you have to do it as a legislature.
This is one of the main points in a complaint against Knox County, that the Board of Health doesn't have authority to mandate masks. With that, a concern about the data used to make that call in the first place.
The data was not correct. The Knox County relied on false positive data, and at the end, they cannot really justify the reasoning for this mask mandate under the data that they've presented or argue that isn't supportive of it.
We wanted to get a better idea of how health leaders in the community see the data. Dr. Martha Buchanan at the Knox County Health Department says we'll know for sure how masks impact us locally when we see a change in transmission rates. Right now, Buchanan cites concerns about false negative.
We don't want the implication to be that false positives are ballooning our case numbers, because that's not the case. As we have said, there is thought to be a much higher false negative rate. That means there are more people in our community who have the virus but the test doesn't show that.
I support wearing a mask.
A local doctor and former president of the Knoxville Academy of Medicine says the question isn't should we be wearing masks, but rather does it make a difference?
Masks are not the only tool that we have. You know, we still have social distancing and we still have washing our hands.
Mandate or not, this health expert agrees with calls from the county health department. Wearing a mask is an important tool to keep resources like hospital beds and doctors available to take care of the sick. Reporting in Knoxville, Madison Keevy, WATE 6 on Your Side.
Now, we reached out to Knox County leaders about the lawsuit. We're told they don't comment on pending litigation. The Knox County Board of Health has its next meeting Wednesday from 5 until 7 p.m., and it will be held virtually via Zoom.